you. So we just got here at the Walmart. Gonna do some hunting for the Hot Wheel and check it out. So let's go ahead and go in there. I need to get a cart just in case I need to buy some stuff. So here's some of the Hot Wheel, it's only for 94 cents. It's pretty cheap. Some of this $2.14. It's a 5-pack for $4.97. Batman. So let's see, there's some here. Last time I found the Tesla at the Ralph's supermarket. So I'm just checking out right here, browsing around, see what kind of new Hot Wheels out. It's a 20-pack. Got the 9 packs. You see I'm filming here, kid. I'm gonna go through them and see which one is collectible. Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys what I caught at the Walmart for this Hot Wheels that I picked up. So let's go ahead and get it started. When you pick up the Hot Wheel, you want to make sure the card is not bent, the back of the card. Although this one has kind of bent, so because there are some of the collectors that want to have everything to be in perfect condition. So as you can see right here, this one is the Tesla Model X. Wow, look at that. Got the big Tesla. And then it says energy. Got the chrome wheels. Got the panoramic sunroof. Kind of see, you can see the seats and steering wheel and everything inside. And on the license plate it says Hot Wheels. And this is the front. It is a black metallic paint. So this is another one that I picked up. So I picked up 2 of this, which is kind of surprising because normally this Tesla Model X is pretty popular. People just grab them so quickly. So let's go ahead and check out this one. This is the green McLaren PT. Got the stripe on the front of the hood. Okay, let's check out this one. This one is the McLaren 720S. Okay, let's jump into this one. This one is the 1965 Mustang. This is the 2+2 fastback. Now this one is a collectible, normally 65 and 66 Mustang. Got two of the purple stripes on the hood and then on the trunk. Actually a black stripe with the purple pimp stripe on the side. The Choice B ink. And let's check out this last one. Wow, look at this one. This is the 1988 Honda CRX. And this one got the chrome wheels. Got the tail on the back. And it got a Honda emblem. And then CRX. It's a nice hot apple red color. Alright, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like this video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in a comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.